Texas heat? Cool down and save with Direct Energy's free power weekends free electricity every weekend. That's the most free weekend electricity in Texas. Sign up today at directenergy.com/free weekend.
All right, meteorologist Justin Stapleton joined me now at the desk. Right now, we're tracking some scattered showers and storms, but we've got something more ominous lurking down the road. Right. I mean, clearly all eyes right now are on Tropical Depression Harvey that's down in the southern Gulf. But the good news is that we still have a couple of days to not only get more information, which is very important. Hurricane hunters are out there in the storm right now, Andy, and they're feedback all kinds of good stuff for us. But also, this is the day to get out and get your preparations set. As you mentioned, get in the boat, taken care of down in Galveston, if you've got that. If you've got a lot of property, maybe you haven't swept the gutters, good day to go out and do that as well, because we're talking some substantial amount of rain that could be falling. In addition, not only that, but we've got a cold front on the way for this afternoon, so we will be dodging a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms, so we've only seen a few waterspouts just off of the bay. This is sent in to us from my gentleman right there that said this was near Sebring. Waterspout on Clearly. You can see it behind. I'll point it out here in just a second. As we get a little bit of activity this afternoon, we'll have to watch for as well. You see the bottom of the cloud there. There it is as it works its way down. So waterspouts not out of the question today either. Most of the activity offshore, way offshore now. But notice we are still getting some scattered thunderstorms right outside of Winnie on the East Freeway there. As you get out to Galveston Bay, working its way across the bay. And then of course some of these scattered downpours in Brentwood, South Carolina, moving down towards Santa Fe, and then of course some of the bottom of the 288 right outside of Angleton there as well. So we'll see some pop-up showers, I think, in other spots as well through this afternoon. So keep that in mind if you're headed out and about taking care of some business. 84 in Pearland with the rain, otherwise it's low 90s elsewhere, and that's going to put the heat index anywhere from around 95 in Cleveland to about 102 down in Sugarland, and about 104 as you get to Angleton. Don't worry, Angleton, those showers will hopefully cool you down here in just a couple of minutes. So we'll talk about around 96 today. Heat indices will be about 100 to 105, 106. Slowly cooling off into the low 80s later on this evening, and we'll keep the rain chances at around 20, 30%. It should be tapering off, but they will stay there through the evening because of a cold front that's sliding southward down through Dallas. In addition, here's what we're watching. The Hurricane Hunters took off from right outside of New Orleans this morning, flew down through the storm. This was at about 7 a.m. You can see they crisscross into the center. And now watch the plane do all kinds of little maneuvers in the middle there. What they're doing is they're crisscrossing the different sections of the center apartment to try to see if there is a closed low, which they did find. That's why we upgraded it along with the winds, around 41-mile-an-hour wind there. That's tropical depression strength. That's why the storm was updated. So there's our current advisory. The 10 o'clock, 35-mile-an-hour wind, gusting to 45. Pressures that are in the middle there. What they're doing is they're crisscrossing the different sections of the center apartment to try to see if there is a closed low, which they did find. That's why we upgraded it along with the winds, around 41-mile-an-hour wind there. That's tropical depression strength. That's why the storm was updated. So there's our current advisory. The 10 o'clock, 35-mile-an-hour winds, gusting to 45. Pressures at about 1,006 and moving northwest. Very important for us. At about 9 miles an hour. So Thursday, you also have a chance to do some prepping. I think even early Friday, even though we'll upgraded it along with the winds, around 41-mile-an-hour wind there. That's tropical depression strength. That's why the storm was updated. So here's our current advisory. The 10 o'clock, 35-mile-an-hour winds, gusting to 45.